Hi, this is Dilip. I am from second year CSE department and my register number is UR16CS094. Today I am going to explain you about how to create an multi-threading, how the concept of multi-threading, and the question is about a menu-driven bank application for maintaining a mutual account using Java, where the user will have the privileges to perform balance inquiry, deposit, withdrawal, create two threads for the two customers of a single mutual account, and demonstrate the operations. Now I'm going to show you how to create all those things in NetBeans. In NetBeans, I have created a package called mul and imported a scanner class which helps us to get the input from the user by creating an object to the scanner class. Created a class called bank and initialized a variable called money as integer data type, and created a thread by using the thread class, and created a function named as void account, and by using a object by creating an object to the scanner class I have created which these statements actually helps us to get the input from the user. And I'm gonna show the user that you should enter a choice either to withdraw money or deposit money, and from the user I'm going to get the input. And I have created a switch case. Case 1 is for balance, to show the balance in our presently it will show the how much balance is available in the account, and whether to withdraw the money or to the deposit money are the two cases in this switch case. And case 2 is to a balance in our account is it will show if you have withdrawn any amount, it will show the new amount. Similarly, if you have deposited something, it will show the after depositing what is the new amount. And this is for printing the output. In order to withdraw the amount, it should be subtracted. So money minus is x. X is the input which we get from the user. Similarly, if you are depositing, it should add. So money plus is equal to y. Y is the input from the user, and it gives us new balance money. And default is if you have entered something wrong, it will execute. And here you can see a word called synchronize. This is the keyword which helps us to execute only one thread at a time. If you have created more than one thread and you want only one thread to be executed at a time, then this is the keyword should be used in front of a function, and this will execute while it is true. This is like exception handling to notify. This is like inter-thread communication. You need to have inter-thread communication so that if there is only one resource which should be accessed with multiple persons, then you should have notify and wait method so that only one person can access the source at a time. This is the use of that notify and wait. And if the wait, it is the exception handling, and I have created a immediate catch block after try, and this is for exception handling the exception. And again this is for person 2, since I have created two threads for person 1 and 2 and of mutual accounts. Similarly, notify and wait methods for the other person. And I have created a main class. I have created an object for the bank class, and I have created a thread. We can create threads either by extending the thread class or by using the runnable interface. Here I have created a thread using runnable interface. You know that whatever there in run method, only that thing will be executed by thread. So by using the object of the class bank, I'm going to call that function of person 1, as you can see over here. And similarly with the thread 2, this is for the person 2 by using the runnable interface. And you know that a start method helps us to make the thread move into runnable state. Now I'm gonna run this and show you the output. Here you can see that person 1 is active, and enter the choice of which to whether to deposit or enter the money. Now first I'm gonna deposit the money. You can see that the balance, sorry for that, you can see that balance in our account is 0. So now I'm gonna deposit some money, and after depositing the money, the new balance is 1234. Now the person 2 is active. Since it is a mutual account, let's see what is the balance, current balance. I'm going to try to deposit the money again. You can see that the balance in our account is 1234, and let's increment that, and I have incremented that. Now the thread 1 is called again. Let's withdraw some money now, and the balance amount is 2468. Let's try to withdraw some 1200, and now the person 2 is active. Let's withdraw again. Since the balance is 1268 after the thread 1 has executed, let's try to withdraw some 100. This is how each thread will be called again and again by using this. This will run as many times as if you want. Thanks for watching my video.